Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about why is now the time to buy excess flood insurance. Stay tuned. So today we're talking about excess flood insurance. So what is excess flood insurance and why might you need it? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. So first of all, let's talk about what excess flood is. The National Flood Insurance Program offers $250,000 on residential, $500,000 on commercial buildings currently as we shoot this video in 2022. So what happens when you need coverage past that? What happens if your bank's requiring coverage past that, which is not unusual? This is where excess comes into play. So you've got your National Flood Insurance Program policy. It pays out to the $250,000, and then your excess kicks in and pays out the rest after the National Flood Insurance Program policy has been exhausted. So that's what excess flood is. So why might you need excess flood? Maybe you're taking out a loan with a bank for $325,000. $250,000 is the most that's required by the government, but they're wanting the rest of that loan covered. One reason is if flood loss occurs, they could be on the hook for that because you'd be responsible for paying for it, but if you didn't have enough flood insurance, there may not be any funds there to cover it. Now, excess flood is becoming very popular right now. One reason is the advancement of private flood insurance. There's a lot more markets when it comes to excess flood now, and because of that, a lot of banks are starting to require some excess flood on top of the National Flood Insurance Program. Just this morning in Franklin, Tennessee, we had someone requiring a difference of about $75,000 because their loan was for $300,000, but they could only get $250,000. But the replacement cost of the property was just over that. So this was a situation where excess flood was put in place, was to cover the difference there. So this is what excess flood is and why you might need it. And right now, the right time with market values being through the roof, replacement costs being through the roof, the importance of having this to cover that difference. Remember, if you've got questions about excess flood, regular private flood insurance, the National Flood Insurance Program flood insurance policies, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this one right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.